Hey everyone, have you ever wondered if it's okay to reuse that cooking oil from your last meal? It seems like a great way to save money, but is it safe for your health? Let's find out. When you heat oil over and over, its chemical structure actually changes. It oxidizes and breaks down, creating harmful compounds like aldehydes and free radicals. You might not see or taste them, but they're there. Consuming these compounds can be risky. Studies link them to serious health issues, including heart disease and inflammation. It's definitely something we should take seriously in our daily cooking. So, what can you do? If you must reuse oil, make sure to filter out any food bits. Store it in a cool, dark place. And never use it if it looks dark, foamy, or smells off. Being mindful of your oil usage is a simple step toward a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Stay safe and cook smart.